How you doing, YouTube family? Man, Ant-Man here, back with another video. First and foremost, before I even get into it, guys, I am really excited to the new subscribers that I got over the weekend. Really am excited about that. Thank you so much. I love the notifications that it says, so and so subscribe to my channel. So I'm very fortunate. My channel's growing every day. It's not, the biggest channel in the world, but it's definitely a channel to where you can get a lot of value. Okay, and it's just free information, that I can just, throw at you, whenever I feel as though that I have to. So thank you so much for the new subscribers, all those that supported me, all those that currently support me in comments and asking questions and whatnot. I really do appreciate you so much. You don't know how excited I am, to see those comments, and I really am excited. So thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. So this video dives into trying to kind of shake up your thought process when it comes to looking for a business opportunity, and I hope this helps. So it reads thus: which process would you choose? Okay, so there's two different processes on each one. I didn't number them or anything, but I'm going to explain to them the best of my ability. So the first option says vigorous prospecting, unknowing when you'll receive commissions. That right there is, let's just say you were, let's say you were in business funding, or you were a loan consultant or something like that. I say vigorous prospecting because when you first start with any loan business, it doesn't matter which one it is, 9 times out of 10, they're going to tell you to cold call, right? They're going to tell you to cold call your surrounding areas, whom you're comfortable with: restaurants, auto repair shops, dental office, chiropractors, other banks and whatnot, etc. Right? So vigorous prospecting, you are going to be cold calling, and cold calling until your shoulder hurts, until your eyes are like, kind of merging in together. It's kind of blurry, your throat getting dry over and over again. We're talking serious prospecting, okay, in order to find one client. All right, unknowing when you'll receive commissions. Okay, guys, I've been in the loan industry. I understand, how it is, guys. A lot of times when you see videos when people say, get paid in 3 to 7 days. Not saying that that's a lie, but it's highly likely that you won't get paid in 3 to 7 days based off of your first to 5 businesses that you submit that needs a loan. Okay, for whatever odd reason, some of these businesses are not getting approved, or they're getting approved and they're not being funded. Okay, and it's, you gotta have some thick skin, and you gotta really, you gotta really be serious about that industry, because if not, you're really gonna, get pretty upset that you done brought so many applications and statements, bank and credit card statements to the table, and of which they didn't get funded. So, when unknowingly when you'll receive the commissions, you don't know when you'll receive your commissions. That's the thing. You really don't know. You can't put a finger on it and say, oh, I'll receive it on the 14th. I'll receive it on the 1st of June. I'll receive it in a few days. You can't say that because you don't know. You don't know what's going on the other side. Okay? Or would you rather this option? Systems do the work. Sales closers basically close your sale, or you close your own sale, okay, and you get paid the same day. This is another option. This has nothing to do with loans, but this is a different business opportunity. As you have seen, I'm sure, online by now, okay, there are systems in place that can help you, okay, get you, or basically direct your prospects or your customers or your clients through, okay, a sales portal, basically, that basically gets them interested in the products or services that you are offering. Once they are serious in getting started, they can call a number, okay, and a dedicated closer, okay, that closes your sales, will close your sales for you at the products that, I guess at the product level that they are interested in joining. Or you can have them call your number, okay, and you could close your own sale. It is your own business. And 9 times out of 10, you're paid that same day. Okay, you can get paid direct deposit, you can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid through any type of payment processor, Stripe, Cash App, anything. Bitcoin, people are doing that as well as a payment, I guess. So that is an option to a lot of people that are just looking for an online business. All right, the next section is more of the older way, which is waiting weeks to sometimes months for one check. We all know that those opportunities as to where you do a bunch of work, okay, and you are waiting weeks to sometimes months just for that one business to close. It's just like being a business broker. There's a really long process that comes along with being a business broker. It's not just you find a business that needs, the business owner wants to sell their business. A lot of times the broker has to go down to that specific business, meet with that business owner, sit down with them and talk everything through, and it's so much that has to come in. Other business partners have to be available. It's really a lot that goes on, when it comes to certain opportunities online. So you guys really need to take it into consideration. Just because there's a lot of ways that just because there's a lot of money that can be made, it does not mean that that particular opportunity is something for you, okay? Now, especially if you don't like the fact that you have to wait so long in order to get your money. You got some companies that get their money first, and then they wait almost 2 weeks just to distribute your money across all of the consultants that is sending them the business. So that's also something that you got to take in, okay? Or another option, which is pay the next hour or that day you pitch that business. So let's just say you contact the business, you explain to them your products and services. You don't really talk about the features, you talk about the benefits, okay, that's connected to their needs. Remember, you are the solution to the problem, okay? So you are bringing to them the water to their fire, all right? You letting out that fire, you know what I mean? And they're like, yeah, I'm definitely ready to go. Let's do this. Which there's a lot of business owners that here's your opportunity, you pitch them, and they're like, look, this is perfect. This is what I need. Let's do this. And let's just say you send them an invoice, or you send them to your website, and you just direct them into how to pay you, or however, if you're an independent contractor, you work for yourself, they can do Walmart to Walmart or whatever it is, however you get paid, right? Wouldn't it be nice for you to get paid that same exact time that you're talking to that person? You get a notification in your email stating that you got a payment, okay? Someone sends you a receipt ID or something like that. You go to your Western Union or MoneyGram or Walmart to Walmart or something like that, and you pick up the money right then and there. You know what I mean? You're getting those notifications that that person has paid you, and that money is sitting in your account right then and there, okay? Not sitting around waiting, for weeks, it just makes more sense, don't you think? $400 cash deposits on Autopilot. The reason why I said that is because there's two opportunities that I know of. Okay, it's where you get $400 to $500, deposits, into your account, and it doesn't take really that much of any type of really hard work, honestly. It really doesn't take a whole lot of hard work to do that, and you get paid $400, or more over and over and over again, and you can make $2,000-$3,000, every week, and not have to do really a whole lot of work as far as any type of general labor, and not 9 times out of 10, not even having to close your sales on your own or anything like that. So would you much rather have consistent cash coming in, and not just $400, but there's many opportunities online where you can pay $1,750 commissions, $3,000 commissions, $6,000 commissions, or even a couple $100 commissions, $900, $500, $200 on Autopilot, with you not even sometimes speaking to anybody, okay? Would you much rather get paid, like that, okay? Or would you rather, which is the next section, waiting a month or two for maybe a $2,000 to $4,000 check in the mail? Think about it. $4,000 to $2,000 is better than $400, okay? But the way these companies operate is they don't pay you the same day that they get paid. They always pay you a week and a half, after, or, a week after. And it's just like, let's just say you had a bill that needed to be paid, that needed to have been paid on the 5th of June. Okay, you got 2 weeks. Okay, you got 2 weeks. Basically about 2.5 weeks until the 5th of June. All right, and you had to wait 2 weeks in order to get that payment. So If you had to wait until June 5th to get your payment, you most likely will probably get your stuff cut off because you have to wait to receive the payment. Because you know, when you cash a check, you know, in the thousands, sometimes the bank takes forever to close that, you know, that deposit. So you're going to be sitting there waiting and waiting for that to clear. It may close tomorrow, the next day. It may close in 3 days. It may close in 5 days, but you don't know. You would still have to take a picture of it, do one of those, you know, sign the back and do the mobile banking thing, you know, the mobile check deposit thing, and then they have to read it, and then it's going to say pending, and you're going to be waiting on it. Wouldn't it be nice for you to just get a stinking deposit right into your daggone bank account, bam, straight like that, or right into an online payment processor, boom, that's already connected to your bank account, swoop, right on in there, and the very next day or that same day, you get that deposit right directly into your bank account, all seamlessly online. You didn't have to worry about lifting a finger, going up to your bank and sliding in that check, you know, in the ATM machine on the side, or going into the business, waiting in line just to cash the check, to still have to wait for it to clear. Think about that. If you needed bills paid, mortgage due, okay, money as of yesterday, guys, which would you choose? Ask yourself that question. Really pay attention to that. Really try to close your eyes and envision yourself right now. If you needed bills paid, I'm talking about yesterday. I've had 7 people contact me, okay, in like 3 days, and they all have bills that need to be paid. They got mortgages due, you know, and they needed money as of now, and they've gotten with opportunities to where companies are taking forever and they're dragging their feet to either send commissions, or they're not even making any commissions, but they're doing so much work, okay? So much work. Wouldn't it make sense for when you pitch that business owner, when you talk with that person that is interested in the opportunity, when you talk with that person and you, by you explaining that opportunity, they now understand and can grasp what it is that you're saying, and you are a benefit to them, okay? You are the solution to their problem, and they have credit card in hand, and they are ready to go. It would be so amazing that you can get paid then, not waiting 4 weeks. Who in their right mind wants to wait that long just to get paid? Nobody wants to wait that long to get paid. Nobody. Okay? So even if you are in an opportunity as to where you are, you know, vigorously prospecting, and you don't know when you're going to get your commissions, and you're waiting months for a check, or, you know, 3-4 weeks for a deposit, you know, and you got bills and all that, even if you're with that, it would still be intelligent, okay? It would be very, very smart on your end to at least have a way to where you can make $400 a pop, $500 a pop, $1,000 a pop, whatever, on autopilot. This is not connected to any particular business opportunity that I'm offering or anything like that in that nature. What this is doing is just opening up your mind to seeing how wonderful it is to wake up the payments in your account and you didn't speak to nobody, or you spoke to people and you woke up the payments in your account, or you got paid that same day or within that same hour that you spoke with that person, okay? It's so amazing to have that feeling, to know that when that person says they're ready to go and you're walking them through the entire process, you're going to get paid right when they click submit or send, you know, whatever, you know, or buy now or whatever, you know, you're going to get that payment right then and there. It's a wonderful feeling. You got to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. There's nothing wrong with a lot of opportunities online, okay, as to where you do have to wait. But like I said, when you have bills, we're talking about real problems here, realistic problems, not this fairy tale junk, okay? Real problems. If you have bills that need to be paid, okay, and you got stuff that you need to get done, you need to get with an opportunity that can pay you today, okay? That can pay you today. I want to thank you guys for taking the time and watching this video. I hope that I, you know, picked your brain a little bit about, you know, being able to receive, you know, consistent commissions on autopilot, and it just makes things a whole lot more better for you. Remember, you're a homeowner. You got bills. You got events. You got things you need to get done. Why wait? Get paid today, man. Get paid, man. Get paid right now.